Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. In additional of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left, the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the 4-star Sudoku number 8765. 8765, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one is truly a 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 2 2s. We have here 3 3s. We have here 2 4s. How about the 5s? 1 5. 1 2 3 6s. 3 7s. 1 2 3 4 8s, all right, and 2 9s. So the 8s are in majority. Can I start with 8? Yes. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 8, okay. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 8, okay. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Well. How about the number? 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. 2 and a 5 we have here in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7 then. 7. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 in this first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. We have 3 here, 3 there, need a 9 there. Let me see. 2, 2. 2, 5, and need a 1 here. We need a 1 in the middle column. Here can we 1? We have 1 in this big square, no 1 there. So 1 could be here or there. Here or there we see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. So the 2 and the 5 are left here in the middle column. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is, nope, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for number the 1, for the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, all right. Need an 8 here. How about the number Need a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left with 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Can I count? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. How about the 8s then? No, the 8s still cannot finish this. Need the 8 there. Need 3 here. I need a 9 there. How about the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Do we have all the 9s? No. Well, let me check, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9, completed, okay. Then, let me see, 4 and 5. 4, 5, and a 1. I need a 1 here. 1. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. No, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is wait, we have a 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So we need a 4 and a 5 here. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this third row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 1 here. We have a 1 there. That means in the third column, the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 4. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Yeah, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing here. How about here? 5, 2, 5, 3. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Okay. Well, in this row, we need a 2. Oh, wait. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 2 in the last row, the 1 and the 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 2 now in the first column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes elevator 1. We have 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes elevator 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. We have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square. Other numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. We have a 3 here, so the 4 and a 5. Well, 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. So the other 2 missing numbers in this big row are the numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Alright, need a 4 here. And we need a 3 here. We need a 3 in this big square. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. And if eliminated here, the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the mark. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for 4 is should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. A 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then two numbers, 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And then 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column 3, the only place left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column 3, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes, and they're finished in 12 minutes. I cannot believe this. This is faster than the previous Sudoku, although it has less printed digits. So I'm well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.